Autoroute. Under repair. Find a little bit of time. Boots. Well, there's got lamp issues, as I said. Let's get the board booting. Put another ram, put door board ram in this one. It's a board out of Alice, which now needed a ram, so I thought I'll take it out and I'll stick it in Autoroute. It's easier to test it now, easier. And it tests other things. You know, Autoroute, you've got this display. It'll tell you if you've got real faults or whatever on the display, whether an Alice is pretty basic. So, got it in, real fault, sorted that. Only thing I know I needed a couple of transistors changed because it plays up an Alice. But so what I'll do, I'll just pull this around a bit. We'll have a little video on Autoroute. I'll just pull it around so we can play it. Not played this for ages, but obviously lamps are out. And none of them are working. Cut the bottom ones out because they're out on matter. But I'm now got to try and fix a couple of boards. But I can play this basically. But I say that is under repair. And the fuse is blown in the power supply. Also, I now found out they're not paying out. So we've got a pound anyway. Whatever. I just had a jackpot of this, so see you got lamp 6 nudges is out. Might be a bulb, but it's highly likely it's the transistor because all these are out, double enough to lose all out. So we've got 6 now, pound, 8, a pound, 150. We'll go for it. You got a jackpot. Here we go. Nice to see it working again on Autoroute. Great machine. Tell you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a special series. The last time I've done that, I've done it to me about 15 quid. Probably give me 40p now. What's this? Bear in mind I just had a jackpot of this. Still going. Still owe me. That owes me still a pound yet. Ah, 2 quid. Never mind. All good fun. We'll get another jackpot. I ain't played this for absolutely ages. It's just been stuck there. Just had no time to do anything with it, but shit, missed that. Go around the gambler again. Missed it again. That's pretty shit. So I will crack on with this now and get this sorted out. Do miss this. I do like that Autoroute. One of my favourite machines from back in the day. So the old damn, you got a mystery tour, nudges. 10 nudges. It's generous. 150. 8 quid now. 150 still there. Jackpot. Here we go. Oh, we lost. Never mind. Go for the nudges. It would. They want that. Reroute. Gotta be a jackpot, innit? There you go. Jackpot. There you go. And again. Not bad, that was. And again. Just trying something there. Make sure that button was working. Last shot of this, so where are we going to go for? We'll go for. Right, so that's also route under test, but there's a fuse blown in the power supply, so I wouldn't clunk any coins out because it won't clunk any coins out because the fuse is gone, which I'll change in a little while. No urgency for that at the minute because the board. Take it out. I don't. No urgency for that at the minute. Few lamps, I'll say. Few lamps out. Board is booting, which I'll fix. Obviously, that was an adders. This is adders board, isn't it? That's been bored up my adders and ladders, which didn't boot a minute ago, so I changed the RAM. Got it to boot. Boards everywhere. And what I'll do now, I'll check another daughter board RAM, and then we'll try and find which transistors are faulty, markers, and I'll get them changed this week. And that board can go back in adders, I think. I'll try and get another one fixed for this one, if I can. Anyway, that's Autoroute. That's Autoroute, back in the tract. Thanks for watching the video.